Even if the popularity of chatbots has increased over the past few years, Google Bard appears to be a game changer for AI chatbots. With this conversational AI, you can chat with it about anything you want. Since Bard also has full access to Google's search engine, you can ask it any questions and get the relevant information you want from the Google search results. The cool thing about Bard is that unlike other chatbots that rely on pre-programmed responses and search results, Google Bard can generate its own responses based on the context of the conversation. This means that it can understand complex sentences and respond in a more natural and human-like way. Google Bard takes chatbots to the next level with its advanced natural language processing capabilities. I will discuss this in more detail in my upcoming videos. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it. So how can you try Google Bard for yourself? Well, you've probably heard that Google just made the Bard AI chatbot available to the general public a few days ago. And Google has opened up a waitlist for anyone who wants to test Bard before it's released to the general public. To join the waitlist, make sure you're signed into your Google account and go to bard.google.com and tap the blue Join Waitlist button and hit Yes in the confirmation checkbox. Then you have to wait for the email updates to join the waitlist. Once you have joined the waitlist, you will receive a confirmation email in your inbox just like this. You will also get another email when you are selected to access Bard. The wait time may vary depending on demand, but some people have reported getting access within a day of signing up. If you are experiencing problems getting on the wait list, you must take the following steps into action. The first thing you need to do is download and install a VPN on your PC. I prefer to use Proton VPN because, unlike other free VPNs, it doesn't show any annoying ads and doesn't have any hidden cookies to sell your browsing data to third parties. To download Proton VPN for free, go to their website and sign up for a free account. I will also put the link in the description below. Then download the Windows app. Once you have downloaded the app, install it on your computer. But before you launch the app, you must clear the cache and cookies in your browser. Otherwise, Google can easily know your identity and your location based on the information stored in web cache and your browser's history data. To do this, first open your browser and click on the 3 horizontal dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. From here, select Settings. Although I'm now using Microsoft Edge, the procedures are the same regardless of the web browser you are using. Next, click on the search bar and type Cache. Then click on the arrow here. This brings up different categories of data that you can clear. These include download histories, browsing histories, cookies, and other site data. In the search result, make sure that you have selected your browser history, cookies, and other site data. This setting is applied every time you close your browser. So if you do not want to do this, make sure to uncheck this selection from the settings the next time you visit your browser. Once you have made your selections, you may need to close and reopen your browser for the changes to take effect. This will delete all the data that you have selected from your browser. But before you open it again, you have to turn on your Proton VPN. Go to your VPN and open it. Once you are logged into your account, you will see the main interface of the app. You can use the Quick Connect button to automatically connect to the fastest VPN server for the available location. Then go to your browser and try to join the waitlist again. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.